If you're experiencing issues with CS2 multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common issues that may be preventing you from enjoying the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official game website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game client Steam, for example, and navigate to your library. Right-click on CS2, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 3. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card and network drivers are up to date. Go to the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, etc., and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers updated can resolve compatibility issues. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the internet. Make sure to add CS2 to the exceptions list in your firewall and antivirus settings to allow it to run without restrictions. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling CS2. This can resolve any persistent issues that may not have been fixed by verifying game files or updating drivers. Make sure to back up any important game data before proceeding. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the multiplayer issues in CS2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance. Enjoy your gaming.